Today I'm going to talk about what you can get here in Treasure Island for under $2.5 million. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Rural Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Hitting the market this weekend, we have a lovely 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,154 square foot home listed with Danya Perry of Century 21 Jim White and Associates. This home's on the market for $2,495,000, and it's a beautiful home from start to finish. Like, you have double doors that each meet you in the entranceway. Before so, you have a 2-car garage with paver stones that actually wrap around the entire property. So you have a nice way of walking around the house and feeling cozy. It's interesting on this property. Inside, open floor plan, wood flooring all throughout, and in the living room great room combination, you have 14-foot vaulted ceilings. There's 3 stories on this property, and on the second deck, you're overlooking the swimming pool and the private dock. And this dock is like more of like a sunsetter's dock because it's got room for a boat, jet skis, kayaks, etc., but also space for patio furniture so you can absorb and enjoy the sunset. Next, you also have, renovated kitchen. You have granite countertops all throughout. It's entertaining. It speaks about your ability to entertain guests while you're cooking. I love to cook, so I love having a lot of counter space. So when I'm talking to people and etc., chopping up meat or onions, this is what I imagine when I'm looking at this property. You also have, like I mentioned, 3 stories, and you have nice staircases all throughout. And from the second to the third level, you actually have a spiral staircase. I mentioned earlier, you can see from the photos, you have a lot of natural light pouring in from the windows overlooking the bay. This home is a marvel, well architected, well appointed, and it's on the market, like I mentioned before, for $2,495,000. Now, if this home or any other is of interest to you, or you just want to talk about what's available here in Pinellas County facing the Gulf, give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM on my Instagram or TikTok at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.